Getting ready for Nitish 5.0 as the allies are coming together to form their next government. After a series of meetings in the national capital as well as the state capital of Patna, it appears that the NDA has locked its formula for the distribution of cabinet berths in the Nitish government. And sources have told Times Now that the BJP is set to get 2 deputy chief minister berths once again, while the assembly speaker post will also go to the BJP. So let's get you the big scoop from the BJP camp. The discussions are ongoing and Vijay Sinha has been elected as the deputy leader. So details coming in, the meetings taking place ahead of the Bihar government formation. The BJP Legislative Party meeting is currently underway where Vijay Sinha has been elected as the deputy leader. Remember, sources have also indicated that the BJP will not just get the speaker's post but will also get the post of deputy chief minister. So this time around as well, we're going to see 2 deputy chief ministers in Bihar, and Samrat Chaudhary will also be getting a key position. He has been elected as the leader of the legislative party. So more and more details coming in of what really transpired in this meeting. Remember, a series of meetings are lined up before the oath-taking ceremony, which is expected tomorrow. So Samrat Chaudhary has been elected as the leader of the legislative party, Vijay Sinha being elected as the deputy leader. My colleague Mohit Bhatt is joining us on the broadcast with the details. So Mohit, a lot of meetings expected, and this is also the indication of who would get the plum post within the BJP. Take us through what transpired in the BJP meeting. All right, we'll go back to Mohit in just a moment, but a clear indication of who will get the plum post. Remember, Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Sinha were the deputy chief ministers in the previous government as well. Are these faces going to be repeated? Are we yet again going to see Nitish Kumar as the chief minister in the 5.0 government with Samrat Chaudhary as the deputy chief minister?
और यह जीत का भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नाते चौका है। हरियाणा, महाराष्ट्र, दिल्ली, अब बिहार आगे के लिए तैयार।
So reactions coming in, and we continue to dip into these live reactions as well. But let's tell you what has happened in this meeting. Now remember, sources have also indicated that the BJP will get the lion's share as far as...
तो दोनों डेप्टी सीएम बने रहेंगे क्या? So there you heard Keshav Prasad Maurya speaking about Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Sinha as the leader and the deputy leader of the legislative party of the BJP. More and more leaders are coming out. We have Vidya Lavre, who is in charge of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Sir, कैसे हो? सर कैसे देखते हैं दो सम्राट चौधरी और विजय सिन्हा दोनों को डिप्टी लीडर बनाया गया है? बहुत बधाई। So there you see, as of now Vinod Tawade is not speaking. There will be an official briefing on the issue, but yes, we know for a fact that how exactly Samrat Chaudhary has been named as the leader of the legislative party of the BJP and Vijay Sinha is deputy leader. So is it a clear indication that there will be no change in the deputy CM post? There will be 2 deputy CMs. Samrat Chaudhary's name was already there, that it was confirmed that he will be the deputy CM, but there were speculations about Vijay Sinha. But now it seems